A very good afternoon to all my viewers. It's time up 5:15. Let's move to Aparna's Pathshala. I know the weather is very pleasant. It's raining cats and dogs outside and we are ready with our classes. Today, if we move towards the board, you can see lots of things are written. Days, week, fortnight, month. Today, a special thing, weeks and months. Let us learn about that. 7 days makes 1 week. 7 দিনে একটা সপ্তাহ হয়. We have already learned in our previous classes. So 7 days. What are the days? Starts with Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Then comes Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. I'm writing here once for your convenience. Monday, Tuesday. Now children, when I'm writing this, again I will come on the spellings. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Along with this, we have done the ordinal numbers also. What is that? Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. And Sunday is the seventh day of the week. So 7 days make a week. Okay. This is 7. Another 7 days are added at +1. 15 days makes 9. Fortnight. Night. Once again, as you all are very small kids, for your convenience, I am telling the spellings, repeating the let us learn the spellings well again. M-O-N, Mon, D-A-Y, day. Monday. T-U-S, Tues, D-A-Y, day. Repeat with me, everybody. No need to write out anything. Next comes the third one, W-E-D, wed, N-E-S, nes, D-A-Y, day. Break into syllables. That also we have done in our previous classes. And now you all are able to break the words into syllables. You know it, I know that. Thursday, T-H-U-R-S, Thurs, D-A-Y, day. Friday, A-F-R-I, fry, D-A-Y, day. Friday. Saturday, A-C-A-T-U-R, D-A-Y, day. Saturday. Next comes Sunday, A-C-U-N, D-A-Y, day. Sunday. So 7 days done. Next comes 30, maybe 31 days make 1 month. That means there are 12 months in a year. In each and every month, not it necessary that every month will be of 30 days. It varies. So 30 or 31 days makes a month. What are the months? As we have learned the days of the week, let us again repeat the months of the year. Which is the first month of the year? That is January. We start with January. There are 12 months in a year. January is the first month of the year. January, January. Then comes February, F-E-B, Feb, R-U-A-R-Y, February. March is the third month of the year. February is the second month of the year. Next, March. M-A-R-C-H. March. April. A-P. A-R-I-L. Ril. April. April is the fourth month of the year. Fourth spelling F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. Do not write F-O-R-T-H. That is wrong. Next comes May. M-A-Y. May. May is the fifth month of the year. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. M-O-N-T-H. Month of the year. Year. Y-E-A-R. Year. Next comes June. June is the sixth month of the year. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth month of the year. Then comes July. J-U-L-Y. July. July is the seventh. A-C-V-E-N-T-H. Seventh month of the year. Next comes, let me erase the board. There is not sufficient space. I am erasing it and I am writing from there. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. August is the eighth month of the year. There is a twist in the spelling of eight. Always don't make it a mistake. E-I-G-H-T, eight, and you put a H here, then it becomes eight. Lots of them make the mistake over here. So be careful about the spelling of the eight. August is the eighth month of the year. August. A-U-O-G-U-S-T. Gust. August. Month. M-O-N-T-H. Month of the year. Next comes September. A-C-P. Sep. T-E-M. Tem. B-E-R. Bar. September. There is also a twist in this spelling. Ninth month of the year. Ninth. N-I-N-T-H. Never write N-I-N-E. 9-T-H. Nine. That is wrong. Ninth. You will vanish when you are going to write ninth. N-I-N-T-H. Ninth. September is the ninth month of the year. S-E-P. Sep. T-E-M. Tem. B-E-R. Bar. September is the ninth month of the year. October. O-C. Octo. B-E-R. Bar. October is the 10th month of the year. T-E-N-T-H. 10th. M-O-N-T-H. Month. 10th month of the year. So here is the spelling T-E-N-T-H. 10th. Don't forget, it is very easy one. If you repeat once, twice, thrice, and if you listen it from Aparna's Pathshala, you will get into your CPU. Where is your CPU? It is inside your brain. We have a large CPU. Next comes November. N-O-V-E-M. Novem. B-E-R. Bar. November. N-O-V-E-M. Bar. November. It is the 11th. E-L-E-V-E-N-T-H. 11th month of the year. M-O-N-T-H. Month. 11th. E-L-E-V-E-N-T-H. 11th. Now December is left. December, I am again erasing August and writing over here DEDCEM, same, BER, bar. December. There is again a twist in the 12th month of the year. Generally, the spelling of 12 is TWELVE. Most of the children makes a mistake. It will be TWEL instead of V, TWELFTH. 12th month of the year. Don't make a mistake. TWELFTH, 12th month of the year. So all the 12 months are done properly. You remember it. Don't forget it. It starts with January and it ends with December. By the way, there is a poem, I will do it later on, of the days. Which of the days are 30s, which of the days are 31st. 31 days are there. Now let's move to 365 days makes 1 year. And next comes to the position of another thing. There is 366 days which makes a leap year. Now what is a leap year? In very short, can anybody of you tell me what is a leap year? Now children, leap year I have given a list over here. This year, this is also a leap year. At this present state, we are in the leap year. This February has 1 day more. Generally, February has 28 days. But due to leap year, 1 day is extended. Among all the months of the year, everybody has either 30 days or 31 days. Except February, which had 28 days. But due to leap year, 1 day is given as a gift to the small member of the family. That is, February has the least number of days, 28. Every leap year, it becomes 29. Okay, we remember 2020. It was also a leap year. What happened? You remember it? Corona started this year, a very specified year, this leap year. Now let's start from 2000. It was a leap year, and do you know, due to the rotation and revolution of the earth, this leap years have formed. It's a vast discussion. You little kids won't understand it. So only just remember that leap means to jump. After 4 years, you see 2000 is a leap year. Again after 4 years, it is a leap year. This is a leap year. Next, again on 4, you add 4 to it, becomes 8. It is also a leap year. You again add 4 to it, it becomes 12. It is also a leap year. Again 8, add 4 to it, it becomes 16. It is also a leap year. Then again 220, 24. Coming 2028, it will be also and leap year. So you know what's a leap year is? বাংলায় যেটাকে আমরা অধিবর্ষ বলি। ঠিক আছে? We have learned about leap year. This is all time favorite. You have to learn it from KG to class 12. You have to remember it. You have to know it. That's why I'm doing it in favor of you. Okay? So when a year is a leap year, days becomes 366. It is no more 365 days. Generally 365 days makes a year. But during the time of leap year, it becomes 366. Another thing to remember, one of our Prime Minister, can you name him? Morarji Desai. He has his birthday on this leap year. On 29th February is his birthday. Every alternate, after 4 years, he gets his happy birthday. Next, leave this apart. Now let's move. 12 months make 1 year. We have learned that one from January to December. There are 12 months, and this 12 months combined together makes a year. As 7 days combined together makes a week, like that 12 months combined together makes a year. 1 year, we know it as anniversary. Next, 52 weeks makes 1 year. That's all for today. If you know this much, that's all for you. You learn it and you just open up Apanna's Pathshala, go through it. You will automatically get the criteria what you want to learn. Another thing, every day practice saying, I can do this, I am capable of doing this, I will learn and I will achieve my goal. Okay, that's all for today. Be happy, stay tuned.
30 days have September, April, June and November. February has 28 days, all the rest of 31 except for a leap year. That is the time when February days are 29.